Hello from B103. It's Brian O'Neill with Summer in the City, powered by Gateway Community Bank, member FDIC.
There we go.
Come on in. Welcome. Welcome to the Rivets Stadium.
Thank you. Better, swing a better. Have you had a chance to catch Rockford Rivets Baseball at Rivets Stadium? That's east of the interstate, just off Riverside. Hey, with your paid admission in, you can enjoy Northwoods League Baseball throughout the summer. And don't forget to try some of the great food and drink while you're watching the game.
Come on now. Yeah, good night.
You can share your summer fun adventure photos with us on Facebook. #Summer in the City.